All right, my friend, if you learn anything from me, it's this. When you get chicken on sale at the grocery store, I got this chicken from Kroger, delivery in San Antonio. How about that? $1.77 a pound. And I'm now wishing I had got 2 packages. I already have some chicken in the freezer, so I just got 1, which is fine. This is what we do. We're gonna do 1 meal for tonight. I'm gonna trim that, don't worry. We're gonna do 1 meal for another night into the freezer, another meal into the freezer, and another, that's it. This is 3 meals worth. These are 6 super huge chickens. So that's what we do. Do not, I repeat, do not freeze this package like this. Well, when it's full, before I unloaded it. Don't do that. You will set yourself up for success by getting meals and ready into the freezer. And I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I just went rummaging through my pantry and found a couple of really easy options that we can make. The first is, I got this vinaigrette on sale from my store. Easy. I'm just gonna pour that over the top and bake this chicken, and then I'm also going to add it into one of the bags. And then I found this yummy jalapeno sauce that I had. I'm just over here trimming this. And I am going to add that with some black beans and some diced tomatoes with green chilies. It's gonna be a little bit spicy. Probably will slow cook, possibly bake those later, but this is it, friend. Get meat when it's on sale, make part for dinner this week, freeze the rest as a meal for later. You're literally setting yourself up for success down the road. This is what I'm doing right now is a little different from the MyFreezEasy Method. I usually get more meat at a time, but since this was just the 1 package, I'm just gonna go with this. Half the bottle for the tray, half the bottle for, I'll probably slow cook this Greek later. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. It's got that feta in it. So good. All right, so those 2 meals are done and ready to go. Next, I have a can of black beans going in with the other 2, and a can of diced tomatoes with, whoop, I missed, with green chilies. And then I have this like jalapeno hot sauce. I'm gonna add just a little bit, not too much, maybe about a 1/4 cup there. And I will probably slow cook this later also, but there you have it in what, 3 minutes? We have right here, chicken in the oven, 2 meal starters that we can cook later, either in the slow cooker, possibly baked, I don't know, maybe the Instant Pot. That way I can take full advantage of these chicken sales, this $1.77 a pound. And what this helps me do is not pay full price in between when the chicken is not on sale. So learn this from me, my friend. Buy chicken when it's on sale, make some for dinner tonight, freeze the rest for later. All right, my friends, that's what I got for you. See ya.